So construction is your construction. We start the construction now. First of all, we draw the circle of radius 4 cm and 6 cm. And they should be the concentric circle because it has told in the question both the circles are concentric circle. Just means they have the same center. So with the 4 cm radius, we will draw the smaller circle first. So for that 4 cm and 6 cm, you just draw aside. It is better for you. Now taking the measurement of 4 cm using your compass, draw the first circle, and taking the 6 cm measurement, draw the second circle. So this may be the center. We are just marking it as O. Now what I have to draw tangent to the circle of radius 4 cm. So in this circle, for this circle you have to draw the tangent from a point on the circle of radius 6 cm. So this is the circle of radius 6 cm. So on it I have to choose the point P, and from that point P I have to draw the tangent to this smaller circle. So what we will do now? The procedure you know. From which point I want to draw the tangent, we will join that point to the center of the circle to which we want to draw the tangent. Last day already I have discussed it. So I will join OP here first. Now what will draw? I will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line joining the center to that external point. From where we are going to draw the tangent? I want to draw the perpendicular bisector of that OP. So I know the process of perpendicular bisector. Last class already we have discussed. So putting here more than half, then one arc here. So suppose this is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Giving the name as Q. Now taking the measurement of OQ, taking OQ as radius and Q as center, just draw the arc from the circle. Cut the arc from the circle. Putting at Q, taking the measurement of OQ, cut off the arc. Join this one and this one to get the tangent. So we can write here PA and PB are tangents. Now after then one question was also given to measure the length of P and PB. Already you know that whatever the tangents you are drawing from an external point, they are equal to each other. So P and PB you measure using scale and you write it also. I will write the steps of construction now, which is very essential. We are writing here steps of construction. What is the first point? First of all, we have drawn two concentric circle of radius 4 cm and 6 cm. Draw two concentric circles of radius 4 cm and 6 cm. Then mark the center as O, and mark the center at O. Whatever you have done, you will write the same thing according to your own word. Now choose a point P on the circle of radius 6 cm. Choose a point P on the circle of radius 6 cm. On the circle means you know on the boundary of the circle. Third, join PO and draw the perpendicular bisector of PO. We have joined PO and drawn the perpendicular bisector of PO, which intersects PO at some point Q. Which intersects PO at some point Q. Okay. Now, with OQ as radius and Q as center, we cut off the arc. With Q as center and QO as radius, cut off the arc which intersects the smaller circle at A and B respectively. Which intersect the smaller circle at A and B respectively. Now what will do? We'll join PA and PB to get the tangents. So join PA and PB to get the tangents. Plus our work completed. So what we have done? First of all, we have drawn a concentric circle of radius 4 cm and 6 cm. What has told? We have to take a point on the circle of radius 6 cm, and from there we have to draw two tangents to the circle of radius 4 cm. So we have chosen a point P. We have joined the center to that external point from where we want to draw the tangent. Then what we have to do? We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP as we have drawn earlier. So draw the perpendicular bisector which has intersected OP at Q. Taking Q as center, OQ as radius, cut off the arc, join P and PB to get the tangents. Clear? Now move to next question. This was actually our question number 2. I'll move to question number 3 now. Let's move to question number 3. What is the question given? Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from the center. Okay. So what is given? Given radius of the circle that is given 3 cm, P and Q are 2 points lies at a distance of 7 cm from the center of the circle on the extended diameter. Because P and Q are lying on the extended diameter, and P and Q are at a distance of 7 cm from the center of the circle. Achha. What is the next thing? To draw or to construct. To draw or construct, whatever you can write yourself. Tangents to the circle. Tangents from P and Q. That one you have to draw. So let's start. Construction. Now, whatever the circle will draw, no, that one will draw at the middle of our copy. Why? Because we have to extend the diameter in both ways, and we have to take 2 points P and Q, but 7 cm from the center. And we have to take 2 points at a distance 7 cm from the center. So, first of all, we have drawn the circle of radius 3 cm. Suppose the center is O. We have drawn its diameter and as well as we have extended. From the extended diameter, on the extended diameter, we have to take 2 points P and Q at a distance of 7 cm. So this is 3 and this is maybe 4. So here we are taking from OP is the 7 cm. From O to P, this distance is 7 cm. Similarly, from O to Q, this distance is 7 cm. So it has told at first to draw the circle of radius 3 cm. We have drawn on the extended diameter at a distance of 7 cm from the center. We have to take 2 points P and Q. We have taken. Now what is the question? We have to draw tangent from P and Q. So suppose I want to draw the tangent from P. So P is the external point. O is the center of the circle. Procedure to draw the tangent is same as before. What is the center and what is the external point? That joining line we have to bisect. So I will bisect OP now. O and P. O is the center and P is the external point. Now I will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP using dynamic color. So this is the perpendicular bisector of OP. So giving the name here, S. Now, putting my pointer at S, taking the radius of OS, cut up and join to get the tangent. So from the point P, we got the tangent PA and PB. Now from the point Q. So for that, O is the center, Q is the external point. So I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. You know the process, putting here, taking more than half without changing the compass. Perpendicular bisector, whatever we have learned in the previous class, which is set, giving the name here T. Now, putting the pointer at T, taking the radius of OT, cut up, and join. Here, whatever we are joining, this is not actually perfect. Perfect what you can draw, wherever you will draw using compass and scale. So, we are just showing the procedure. This is C and D. So, the tangents are sorry. Wrongly joined. Join with Q. So, what are the tangents? The tangents are PA, PB, QC, QD. Now, what I have to write? Steps of construction. Now, going for steps of construction. What do we write at first? Let us draw the circle of radius 3 cm. Let us draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Second point, what will it be? Extend the diameter of the circle and choose 2 points P and Q at a distance of 7 cm from the center. So, extend the diameter in both ways and choose the point P and Q. Choose the points P and Q at a distance of 7 cm from the center of the circle. That is, OP equal to 7 cm, OQ is also equal to 7 cm. Now what you have done? From the point P you have drawn the tangent. So that procedure right. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP, which cuts OP at some point S, which cuts OP at some point S. So now with S as center and OS as radius, we will cut off the arc. With S as center and OS as radius, cut off the arc which cuts the circle at A and B respectively. Now what do you do? Join P and PB to get the tangents. So join PA and PB to get the tangents. Similarly, for Q also, that one you write yourself. As we have written for P, how the tangents are drawn. The same way I have drawn the tangents from Q. The same, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ. choosing T as center and OT as radius, draw the arc which will cut the circle at C and D, join Q, C and Q to get the tangents. So that all the things you write yourself. Okay? So now we go for the, so that things you must write first, then you go for the next one. Now we go for question number 4 and one more thing. Question number 4 onward, except one or two sum, I will not write the steps of construction. You just see the procedure and steps of construction you try to write yourself. Okay? Question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 5 cm. So given radius equal to 5 cm and which are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degree. So angle between two tangents that is equal to given 60 degree. Okay. To construct tangents to the circle. Now moving for construction. But before to do the construction, we have to make a rough sketch. Rough sketch. Why rough sketch? Because to draw this one, we need a pre-plan first. We have to plan first. What is my plan? First, ask in the question, we have to draw the circle of radius 5 cm and the angle between two tangents should be 60 degree. So how will you do it? How will you draw it? Suppose this is the center of the circle. This 5 cm radius circle you can draw easily. We know one thing, that is radius is perpendicular to tangent, correct? And if this one is 60 degree, so what will be the value of this one? 180 degree minus 60 degree. Because you know the reason from circle chapter. What is the reason? Angle inclined or angle formed by two tangents at the center of the circle and angle between two tangents are supplementary. We have learned this one in the circle chapter property, that angle between two tangents and angle inclined by the two tangents at the center, that is angle formed by these two tangents at the center of the circle, they are supplementary. So their total value is 180 degree. We have learned it. So this is 60 degree means this will be 180 degree minus 60 degree. That will be 120 degree. And this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Since radius is perpendicular to tangent. We know this property. See, whatever the rough sketch you have drawn, this is not actually the rough sketch. This you have to show beside in name of rough sketch. But this figure, this plan will show the examiner who is checking your copy a brief idea on the basis of which you have drawn this diagram. And if it is not there, you have to explain everything before the construction, because directly the construction cannot be possible here. Until and unless we find out this angle, the construction is not possible to start. So what is my plan to draw the construction now? What are the steps we will follow? First of all, we will draw the circle of radius 5 cm as it is told. Then we will construct any of the radius. Then we will construct 120 degree and we will join to make another radius. Then the angle between two radius will become 120 degree. Now we will draw here 90 degree and here also we will draw 90 degree. So that two line will intersect at some point, and that point will be the external point. And that angle automatically becomes 60 degree, because this is 90, this is 90 and this is 120. The spin, if we add this spin and if we subtract from 360 degree, you will see this angle is coming 60 degree. Correct? So we got the procedure. What will apply? So first of all, we will draw the circle of radius 5 cm. Draw. Draw the circle of radius 5 cm. Mark the center as well. Draw any of the radius. Now I know how to draw 120 degree. So putting the pointer here, taking any compass measurement. Don't take it so much bigger. Or putting here faster. You cannot change the compass within that. Okay. First of all, you have drawn the arc without changing the compass. Putting here first arc, second arc. Join it to get 120. Completed. Here, suppose the name we are giving A and this is B. So it is as A, this is B. Now at the point A, we draw 90 degree. You know the procedure of 90 degree. First of all, arc, putting here first arc, second arc, here also, putting here also. So how to draw 90 degree? That procedure I don't want to explain again. So they will intersect at some point. That point is P. Because this is 90, this is 90, and this is 120. So these three things you have followed. So this will come automatically 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So what you write here? PA and PB are tangents. Okay? And the steps of construction you will write yourself as you have told earlier. Steps of construction. Once I speak, just you hear. What are the steps of construction? Just I am saying. First of all, we will draw the circle of radius 5 cm. We will draw any of the radius OB. At the point O, we will draw 120 degree and 120 degree to get another radius A. At the point A and B, we will draw 90 degree. They will meet each other at some point P. So that angle is equal to 60 degree. Hence, we got the triangle PA and P. Clear? So I think you can write it yourself. Today we are completing the class here only. One day more we will take to complete. Next day we will complete our chapter. Thank you.